Question is distinguish between the meaning of term adsorption and absorption and give one example of each. So this is the question of surface chemistry, a very conceptual chapter, so you need to pay attention. So first we will go through the term adsorption. So it is a surface phenomenon. It is very important. What does this mean? Okay. So it is a surface phenomena in which the molecules or substances accumulate at the surface rather than in a bulk of a solid or liquid. So it means that if if some if in some body the molecules of substances will not go into the body, no, will not go inside the body, they will just stick on the surface. That's why it is known as it is a surface phenomena. Okay, substances will only accumulate at the surface. Okay, they will not go into the bulk of a solid. Okay, so there are more two terms related to this adsorption term. The substance that gets adsorbed is called adsorbate. Okay, you can remember by relating it with solvate and solvent. Okay, that gets or adsorbed means it is in less quantity, means it is a solute. So you can also relate it by adsorbate. Okay, and the material on which it is adsorbed is called adsorbent, or the material that is present in large amount, which is solvent in the case of liquid solution, and here it is known as adsorbent. So two more terms that you need to know: adsorbate and adsorbent. You can relate it to solvent and solute and solvent. Okay. So in adsorption, the adsorbate does not penetrate the adsorbent surface. It concentrates only at the surface of the solid and liquid. As I said, the adsorbate only penetrates over the surface. Okay, it does not goes into the body, into the volume of solid or liquid. For example, this is very important example. It will clear all your doubts regarding the adsorption phenomena. So when we dip a chalk stick into the ink solution, only its surface becomes colored. If we break the chalk stick, it will be found to be white from inside. Okay, so this is very much conceptual and very good example for this phenomena of adsorption. Okay, now what do you mean by absorption? You almost everyone knows the term absorption. So it is a bulk phenomena. In this process, the substance uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the solid or liquid. Example, water vapors are absorbed by anhydrous calcium chloride. So it is very common, and let me explain it once again for those who could not get what I mean to say. So the substances uniformly distributed throughout the bulk of the solid or liquid means whatever the substance or molecules that the bent will absorb will get accumulated in the bulk, not just in the surface. Okay,